Get ready for dictation. So your first word is half. It is half. This is actually a different form, not HALF, but the different half. The second word is bifurcate. 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 Third one is subdivide. 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 The fourth one is penny. 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 And the fifth one is rupee. 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 So I'm repeating the words, children. Half, bifurcate, subdivide, penny, and rupee. That's all for dictation. Over to you, Jyoti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am. Now, children, I'm showing the words on the screen. Now the words on the screen, so you can check your spelling. The first word is halves. It means any object to divide into two equal parts. If you divide any object into exactly two equal parts, then each part is called the halves of the other one. Second one is bifurcate. Bifurcate, bifurcate. It means divide into two parts, but not necessarily equal. Okay? The difference between half and bifurcate is this. In half, both parts are equal, but in bifurcate, it is not necessarily equal. The third word is subdivide, S-U-B-D-I-V-I-D-E, subdivide. It means when you divide any object into smaller and smaller pieces or form into subdivisions, then this type of division is called subdivide. Next one is penny, P-E-N-N-Y, a coin worth 1/100th of a pound or the value of the basic unit. This type of coin is used by Britishers before 1971, not now. Okay. Next one is last word is rupee. The basic unit of money in India equals to 100 paisa, as you know, all of you. So please check your spelling. If you have done wrong, so please write it down five times and read it also. Okay, when you write down the spelling, so please speak it out. Speak it out. Okay, if you're speaking the spelling, so it will remains in your mind forever. Okay, nice, everybody. There's no matter how much you are scored in the dictation. It is only for improving your vocabulary or your spelling. You will not do the spelling mistakes. It is only for that. Now, children, I hope you all done. So please come to the topic. In the last class, we were doing exercise 14.1, and I think we have completed till question number 2.
Ma'am, you tell first question we have to do in copy.
Fifth question.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have completed till question number 4?
No, ma'am, we are on question number 2.
Wait a minute. Karan, kindly keep yourself mute.
Jyoti ma'am,
Yes, Kavita.
can I say something?
Yes, Kavita.
The first exercise I had mentioned in the lesson plan that it has to be done in the book.
If they want, they can do in a copy. There's no issue, Kavita ma'am. If they want, they can do in a copy. There's no restriction actually.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Coming from which side? I think from Agam. The voice is coming from your side.
Ma'am, I am sitting in soundproof room.
Kavita ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Agam, now you can also unmute yourself. Fine. Please put your hand down, Agam. I have given the permission.
Yes,
For-
ma'am.
So let's come to the question number 3. I hope the PDF is clear. Question number 3 is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In PDF also 14.1 is not given. Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, in answer PDF 1 is not given.
Later, because I am telling you each and every solutions, so no need for it. Okay. Now let's come to the question number 3. In the following figures, mark the missing holes in order to make the symmetrical about the dotted line. Now you can see in these figures, there's a dotted line and it is a line of symmetry, axis of symmetry. So you have to put a hole on the other side of this line of symmetry. So it look like as same. So on the other side of the line of symmetry, you have to draw the hole. So where you need to put the hole? The hole should be on equal distance from the other side, from this hole. So you have to draw a hole, other side of this hole. So it gives it this line of symmetry becomes a axis of symmetry. This line becomes axis of symmetry. Similarly, here in this triangle, if you draw a hole here, so this line becomes axis of symmetry. This from the line of symmetry is equal on both the sides. So can you tell me where we have to draw a punching hole to make this line axis of symmetry? Yes. My voice is not clear.
Ma'am, clear.
Now tell me where we have to draw a punching hole to make this line axis of symmetry. This is the dotted line. We want to make this line axis of symmetry.
Ma'am,
So
near the dotted line in left side at the top.
the right hand side, we have to draw a punching hole which is at the equal distance from the line of this line of symmetry. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
here also we need to put a hole. So this line becomes an axis of symmetry because the distance of these holes from this line is equal. Similarly, in the last figure, we have to draw a punching hole on this side, on the right hand side. And for this hole, we have to draw a punching hole on the left hand side. So this line becomes axis of symmetry. When you fold this figure along this line, so you can see from this hole, okay, because these holes are of equal size and shape.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's come to the question number 4. In the following figures, the mirrored line or line of symmetry is given as dotted line. This dotted line is a line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Complete each figure by performing reflection in the mirrored dotted line and name the figure you complete. So what we have to do? We have to complete this figure. It is an incomplete figure. We have to draw exact same and equal size of figure on the other side of the line of symmetry. So what we have to do? We have to measure this line and draw the same length of line on the other side like this. Okay, the measurement of the line segment should be equal. So in this way, you can make a complete figure. And after getting this figure, you have to name it. So can you please tell me what is the name of this figure?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Everybody please respond. What is the shape of this figure?
Ma'am, rectangle.
But rest of all, please reply. Yes, very nice. Preksha. Adyansh. Okay. So this is a rectangle shape. So first of all, we have to complete the given incomplete shapes and then find the name of the object, figure, whatever it is you find. Now, in the second part, again, you have to complete this figure. So what you have to do, you have to draw exact same shape and size figure on the other side of this line of symmetry. So first of all, you have to measure the length of this side and draw on the other side, on the right hand side, like this, and then draw a horizontal line also. Okay, in this way, you will get a complete figure. So what is the name of this figure? This is a isosceles.
Triangle.
Very nice, Agam, Adyansh, Priyansh, very nice. It is isosceles. Okay. Now in the third part, again, you need to complete this figure to also to make it this line of axis of symmetry. So what you have to do, you have to measure the length of these two sides, and exactly the same shape you have to draw on the other side of the line of symmetry. So in this way, you will get a complete figure. And the name of this complete figure is what it is? No, it's not a kite. It's not a kite, Agam, because in a case of kite, all sides are not equal. In a case of kite, all sides are not equal. So, but in this case, all the
It
sides
is rhombus.
rhombus. Okay. Now, last one, do yourself. Okay, I'm not going to tell you. You have to do yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly, you have to make the same figure on the left hand side, and then you have to find out which type of figure is this. Question number 5, you can cross it. Now let's come to the question number 6. Yes, Bhuvanya, you can unmute yourself, beta. Bhuvanya.
मैम थर्ड क्वेश्चन मैम वापस एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
Question. This dotted line is a line of symmetry. Okay, one side of the line of symmetry, the figure is drawn, but it is incomplete. To make the complete figure, you have to draw exactly same figure on the other side of the line of symmetry. So how can you draw the how can you complete this figure? By measure the length of these sides, and you can draw the other side of this line of symmetry. So in this way, you will get a complete figure. The same shape and size figure you have to draw on the other side. In this way, you will get a complete figure, and after finding out that this complete figure, you have to name it. I hope now it is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Over your hand, Bhuvanya. Now let's come to the question number 6. Draw the reflection of the following figures, letters in the given mirror line shown dotted. Okay. So again, you can observe this is a line of symmetry. It is a dotted line. And the other side of this line, you have to draw exactly same figure. So these figures are drawn on the square paper. Square paper is lightly not properly visible, but this is the figure is drawn on the
Yes, ma'am.
figure.
Ma'am, it is lightly visible.
It is lightly visible. So you have to use the square paper. If you don't have, so you can use the max copy papers also. Okay. So by counting the squares, you have to draw the exactly same figure on the other side. Suppose for this, let's take an example of the first part of the question number 6. You can see there's a triangle. This is a perpendicular, this is a base, and this is a hypotenuse. So you can see that the vertical line covers the 2 squares completely. This vertical line covers how many squares? Exactly 2 squares it covers. So you on the other side, you have to draw a figure and draw a vertical line which covers 2 squares, the length of 2 squares. Similarly, you have to draw a horizontal line. So here, how many squares it covers? 2.5, I think so. It is 2.5. So you have to cover 2.5 square. And then by counting the number of
Yes,
squares,
ma'am.
you have to complete this figure. So you can draw the figure by counting the number of squares. So exact figure you have to draw on the other side of the line of symmetry. So in this way, you will get the reflection symmetry of this figure. I hope it is clear. Suppose in fourth
Yes,
part,
ma'am.
draw 7 like this. It should be exactly same of the other hand, but you have to
Ma'am, your
count,
voice is not coming.
but you have to count the number of squares. You have to count the number of squares to draw exactly same figure on the other side. Like in the fifth part, you have to draw the figure like this, which is exactly same of the other side. This is called the mirror image or reflection symmetry. But to draw these figures, you have to count the squares. Fine. So now let's come to the question number 7. What other names can you give to the line of symmetry? Isosceles triangle, rhombus, and circle. So I'm showing over here. Let's draw an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Can any
Two sides are equal and one side is different from two sides.
So isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two sides are equal. So you can draw an isosceles triangle like this, whose two sides are equal. My figure is not proper, but you have to draw a figure with the help of a ruler. So you get that in this triangle, the two sides are equals to each other. It means the length are equals to each other. This one is a different length of the side. Okay. Now, if I'm asking you to draw the line of symmetry, so where you have to draw? You have to draw the line of symmetry here. Okay. So in this way, when you draw the vertical line of symmetry,
I'm in the middle.
So it is can you tell me what is the other name of this line of symmetry? It is
Axis symmetry.
Axis of symmetry. Line of symmetry, axis of symmetry is having the same meaning. No, it's wrong answer, Agam. You can say this median. Okay. The other name of this line of symmetry is median. It is a median of a triangle, and I will tell you later on when I will teach the chapter triangle and its properties. Then I will tell you what is a median. Okay. So median is a line of symmetry which divides the given. Which divides this
Okay, ma'am.
equal parts. Okay. So this is called the other name of line of symmetry of the isosceles triangle is median. Now, second one is rhombus. Rhombus is a four-sided figure. It's a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, but corner angles are not 90 degrees. It is called a rhombus. So where we have to draw the line of symmetry in this rhombus? Where we have to draw the line of symmetry?
Ma'am, in the middle and in
diagonally. If you draw the rhombus having two lines of symmetry, when you draw the line of symmetry along the diagonal, then you will get the both parts which are equals to each other, and they are look like as same. Okay. When you overlap these two parts along this line, so it completely overlaps to each other when you fold this side along the line of symmetry. So there is two lines of symmetry, one, and the other one is two. So what is the name of this axis of symmetry of this rhombus? Diagonal. What is the other name? Diagonal.
diagonal.
Okay? The diagonal of a rhombus. So other name of the line of symmetry is diagonal. Third one is circle. How many lines of symmetry in a circle?
Ma'am, there are infinite lines.
Yes. In a circle, there are many lines of symmetry. Infinite. We cannot count. Many lines of symmetry are there because when you draw a line of symmetry, both parts coincide to each other. So what is the name of this line of symmetry? The other name of this line of symmetry is? Can anybody tell me what is the other name of this line of symmetry? Just think about it and write it in the chat box. What other name you can give to this line of symmetry? If any line passes through the center, very good, Shaurya, it's a diameter. It's a diameter. If any line of symmetry divides a circle into exactly two equal parts, then that line is called the diameter, and it is called the line of symmetry, or you can say a diameter. The other name of line of symmetry is a diameter. I hope it is clear. If you want, you can do these questions in your copy, but you have to draw all these figures beautifully. Otherwise, you can do in a book also. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to do till fifth question in book, and
you can do in a book also. Okay, till fifth question. Question number 7 you can do in a book also. Okay, question number 7 do in a book. This one you have to do in a scrap paper or in a copy. Fine. So till question number 4, you have to do all these questions in a book. If you wish, you can do in a copy. Otherwise, you can do in a book. I hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'm going to explain you about the rotational symmetry. What is a rotational symmetry? So I'm going to show a video on rotational symmetry. So please watch this video and then I will explain you more about it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait a moment.
A figure has rotational symmetry if you can rotate, turn it, and have it look the same as when you started. For example, you can turn the star above 5 different ways, and it will look exactly the same. Or you can think of it this way. If you had 2 of these stars sitting on top of each other, you could turn one star and it would land directly on top of the other with no pieces showing. This triangle, however, does not have rotational symmetry. If you rotate it, it will not look exactly the same. Fun fact: the word symmetry comes from syn, together, and metron, measure. If a shape looks exactly the same only once after turn, that is, it looks the same after one full rotation, there is really no symmetry at all as to.
Yes, children. If you rotate any object and it look like as before, as it is in the starting position, then this type of symmetry is not a rotational symmetry. Okay, there is no rotational symmetry because in a one complete rotation, every object look like as before. So if you rotate the object at 360-degree angle and it becomes as like before, so there is no rotational symmetry.
Together can't be there for just one thing. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of positions you can turn the object and still have it look exactly the same. If it looks the same in 2 different positions, it is order 2. If it looks the same in 3 different positions,
now you can see that in this triangle, if you rotate this triangle along 60-degree, then it look like as before. Okay, so and again after that, if you rotate it at 120-degree, so it is like as before. So it having rotational symmetry.
it is order 3.
120-degree angle.
Point symmetry, or origin symmetry, occurs whenever a figure has order 2 rotational symmetry. This means that each point on the object has a corresponding point that is the exact same distance from the center point, but in the opposite direction. Examples. Determine if each figure has rotational symmetry, and if so, what order. This flower does have rotational symmetry because it could be turned and would look exactly the same. It could be turned 5 times, so the order is 5. This figure does have rotational symmetry because it could be turned 180 degrees and would look exactly the same. The order is only order 2, though.
Yes, read out, Agam. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, now audible.
Okay. Read these points, rotational symmetry points. Read out, Agam. Agam, please read out the rotational symmetry points.
Okay, ma'am. A figure has rotational symmetry.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Agam, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today I'm having weak connectivity. That's why the video stopped again and again. Just read out.
A figure has rotational symmetry if you can rotate, turn it, and have it look the same as when you started.
If any object is having the rotational symmetry or not, how can you check? For this, you have to rotate an object around the center, and that center is called the center of rotation. And when you rotate the any object, and after the rotation it look like as the same as when it was started, then that object is called rotational symmetry. Read down the second one.
The order of rotational symmetry is found by determining how many ways you can turn the object and still have it look exactly the same.
If any object is having the rotational symmetry, but how many rotation symmetry it is having, it is called the order of rotation. Okay. So how when you rotate any object with any fixed angle, with any small angle, so after that angle it look like as before. So how many times when you rotate it, how many times it look like as before? In between 360 degree. Okay. So when you rotate any object around the center of rotation of an object, and how many times it look like as before, then these number of rotation is called the order of rotation. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now read it out. In rotational symmetry, in our daily life, we come across many objects which rotate about a fixed point, such as hands of a clock, wheels of a bicycle. You can see the wheels of a bicycle rotate around a point, blades of a ceiling fan. Ceiling fan is rotating about the center. Blades of a windmill, etc. So many examples in our daily life. On rotation, the shape and the size of the object does not change. Is the shape and size of the object change when it rotates? No. The shape and the size of the object does not change when it rotates around the center. The rotation turns an object about a fixed point, and this fixed point is called the center of rotation. Fine. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next point. The rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. It means the object can be rotated clockwise as well as it can rotate anti-clockwise also. Fine. Look at the adjoining figure. It does not have any line of symmetry. Is it having any line of symmetry? If you draw a line of symmetry horizontally, then it look not like as same. If you draw the line of symmetry vertically, then both sides are not look like as same. If you draw the line of symmetry diagonally also, again, it not look like as same on both sides. So this figure is not having the line of symmetry. Yet it seems balanced and has regularity of shape. Let this figure be rotated through one complete turn. Clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can rotate it anti-clockwise as well as or clockwise. About it, center. Where is the center? Here is the center. This is the center of this an object. There are 4 occasions when it looks the same as it did in starting position. This is the starting position of this figure, and this is the center of rotation. When you start rotating it along the around this center of rotation, so how many times it seems as before? It seems as before. It will take 4 rotations. How many rotation it will take? It will seem as like as before 4 times. First time it looked like as before at 90 degree. Second time it looked like as before as 180 degree. Third time it looked like as before at 270 degree, and fourth time it looked like as before at 360 degree. We say that this figure has a rotation symmetry of order 4. So how many order of rotation in this figure? There are 4 order of rotation. Okay? Here are 2 more examples of rotation of symmetry. Consider square with P as one of its corner. This is a square shape, and I'm taking one corner of the square, and it is indicating by capital P. Let us perform quarter turns about the center of the square. Now observe the only P point. I'm just talking about only the corner of the square that is indicated by P only. So when you rotate this P around the center, so after the quarter turn means what? 1/4. Quarter means 1/4, and it is exactly 90 degree. So when you rotate P around a quarter turn, again it looks as before. When you rotate it at a quarter turn, P comes which side? This one side. Before the P was there now, but after quarter turn it comes down. So at this position is this square look alike as before? Is it in the starting place? Is it like before?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
What is the difference between these two figures? They are look like as same. When you rotate it at the quarter
Yes,
turn,
ma'am.
when P comes in this position, so both the figures are look like as same. Again, you have to take a 1 quarter turn. It is exactly 180 degree. Okay. Now, in this case, P comes on the left hand side. P come on the left hand side where before that the P was there, but now after taking one more rotation, quarter rotation, it comes on the left hand side. So again, it look like as before. So how many it takes a turn? 2 turns. It has taken till here 2 turns. Now again you have to rotate the square at 90 degrees. So P comes up. P comes up from this place. So
Ma'am?
again it look like as before. Yes.
Ma'am, Kavita ma'am has raised hand.
Wait a minute. Yes, Kavita ma'am.
Ma'am, the class is actually over just because your class started 5 minutes late. So it is still continuing. So it will
It's
continue
disconnected
till
in
10 to
between
15.
actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it was, yeah, so please.
Yeah,
answer
end
this
of the
question.
class. Okay, thank you so much for telling. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Okay, children, now the time is over. So let's, I'm ending this session, this meeting. In the next class, I will explain you again.